Hi, this is Shiv, Creative Makeup Director for Naturals. Today we are going to see how to do simple smoky eyes with few products. Here we go. So I'm going to use a gel liner to create a smoky eyes. If you want to get something very quick and fast, just make a thick line using a gel liner. Using a little fluffier brush, I'm just going to smudge the gel liner to make it look a little more softer. You can add a little more darkness by using the same gel liner again if you want a little more intense. So we want to just make it really soft, just to give that smoky effect. I'm going to use a kajal pencil underneath the lower lashes just to create that thickness on the lower lash. So using a pencil brush, I'm just going to smudge. Now we got the soft blended smoky eyes. So if you want to make it a little more intense, you can always make it intense. You can add a little bit of darkness in the corner with a pencil and just smudge. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So here is the final look for the day. A beautiful black brown smoky eye.